好了啊。
哎，good 啊，好。
100好了。
And we are now at this Sitiawan here. Local introduced me, my friend. Local introduced me this Yang Hong restaurant. Yang Hong is he already pre-ordered some local signature dishes here. So let's check out. 哎，老板你好，怎么称呼？
哦，人家都是叫我样红啊。
阿红啊，你叫你就是样红啦。哇，很好很好。
或者叫我样硬比较多。
哦，哎，老板你在这边开了多久
13年了。
13年了啊！哇，good 咯 good 咯。然后你这边招牌是什么？
红豆菜咯，然后还有海鲜咯。
哦，哇，很期待咯。然后几点开到几点？你这边？
我这里6点到10点。
6点到10点啊。
中午没有开，傍晚6点到晚上10点。
傍晚6点到晚上10点。
啊。
然后星期几 off 呢？
星期三休息。
星期三休息啦。哇，看了就好料咯。哦哟 ，good 啦。So for those that want to eat Hock Chew 福州菜here is the place good 啦。哇，那。Okay, so today we are at this Yang Hong Sitiawan here, and these are the few famous Hock Chew dishes that we want to try out. This is the lan pai gu. Lan meaning to say that it's mash. It's mash pai gu is pork rib. So you try it out. It seems like very appetizing tart. Appetizing.
Look like they put the sweet and sour sauce.
A bit sweet and sour. And then of course they have this one. This is a very special ingredient. This is the kiam chai. San Dong chai. This is called San Dong chai. Very interesting. Best to eat together with the rice. I'll try and see. This one you hardly can get in Penang because Hock Chew dishes is not easy to get. Next we're going to check out this Suan Na Yu Biao fish mouth. This one is spicy and also sour. Come, let's check out.
Yeah, like too spicy.
It's not too spicy. It's more towards the tomato base and a touch of spiciness. Cover with this egg. They have this egg and then they have this fish ball. Very nice, very soft and then very nice, appetizing dishes. And then next we're gonna check out this one. This is Sitiawan Ojian. It's very much different from Penang style. Penang one is a bit starchy type. This one is more crunchy. Very nice this one. Unique. Very unique. Interesting. Okay, good. And last but not least, this is the Fei Long flying dragon veggie stir fried together with bean sprout. This is specially dedicated for kids. So here, dishes is very unique and it has been here for 13 years. This is one of the place for family friendly. 400好了。
100